Wagwan guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some brown stew pork. So here we have our pork already washed with lemon and vinegar and station already prepped and ready to go. So now we're going to go ahead and add our seasoning. So here we have some all-purpose seasoning. So we're going to be adding like about a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. Then this is some allspice. Some black pepper. Like about a teaspoon of black pepper. Some garlic powder, here we have some pimento seed, and then here I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of pork seasoning. And right here we have the marinated sauce that we do on our channel. You can go ahead and check that one out. So I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of this sauce whenever I'm doing pork or brown stew chicken, anything. I always add some of this sauce to it. So now that we add that sauce, we're going to go ahead and add some browning. Be careful with the browning, you don't want to add too much. So you don't want to have your pork well black and all that, so you have to be careful with the browning. So now we're going to go ahead and lock in all the spices. Make sure you lock in all the sauce, the marinated sauce, all the spice that is in there. Then now we're going to go ahead and cut up our vegetables. So now I have a small Irish potato, and I have like 2 cubes of 2 pegs of garlic. Even though I add the garlic powder, I still go ahead and add the pegs of garlic. So yes guys, I'm gonna be dicing up my Irish potato gradually and just add it to my pork. So here we have some bell pepper. So I have 3 different colors of bell pepper, and I'm gonna be dicing them up like in medium size, not too big, not too small. So that's how I like, and I love to have a lot of vegetables in my, whenever I'm preparing anything. So guys, and I mostly cook Jamaican food, but I am trying out new dishes now. So you can go ahead and leave in the comment section what kind of dish you would like for me to prepare, and I will go ahead and do that also. So now I'm going to be dicing up my small onion, and I will be using all of it. Gonna add that to my bowl right now, and then I'm gonna be cutting up my scallion, aka the green onion. Yes, So in the meanwhile doing that, I will also be cutting up my carrot. So I have a medium-sized carrot or a small carrot. So I will be using all of that. If you are a person who loves a lot of carrot in your food, you can also add more than one. And yes guys, I'm adding my thyme, and you know you can't do without some Scotch bonnet pepper. So I will be adding like half of this one small Scotch bonnet pepper that I have. I love a lot of spice, as you can see. So now that this is all ready, I am using my Instant Pot today. So I'm gonna lock in all the vegetables that I just cut up with the spices and the pork and get that ready. And bear in mind, I don't have to marinate this, like put it down for a while, because I add the marinade. So now I'm adding it to my Instant Pot. And guys, when I come back, I will transfer this to, it would be ready by then, and I will be transferring it to my next bowl. So yes guys, here we are. So I transfer my pork from the Instant Pot. So I'm gonna leave it in this to simmer a little bit more to get the gravy down, thick and rich and ready to serve. So guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share, and I hope you enjoy this video.